Hey guys, Jared here again, aka the Laughing Man. So I'm here with another product review. This is something that is kind of odd for the channel here. It's not something that I normally do, but being in the military, this is a company that is founded by a military member to solve a problem for military members. So it's of course something that anybody can use. It's a great product. I really like it. You can tell from the video description already. This is a shaving soap. This is a Caisson shaving company. So they have a bunch of different products that they used to sell on their site. Unfortunately, with tariffs and everything, any products that were outsourced to be manufactured in any other country, with the tariffs coming in, small company wasn't able to really keep up with it. But the soaps here, they actually make all this themselves in southern Arizona. Just a small company making a good product. So they started their company back in 2020 with the pandemic and everything that was going on at the time. He saw that, for soldiers going out into the field, which is what this was initially designed for, they wanted something small, or he wanted something small that he could just throw into a pack. But also, if you've ever been in the military or done hiking or anything like that, the worst thing that you can do is open up your pack and find that your toothpaste or your soap or your, whatever it is, any kind of liquid or gels or anything like that that's, leak out and get over all your stuff, because now you're out that product. It just made everything dirty. It's always a mess. So he decided to make a soap, which is it's a solid. These things last forever. He's saying that he gets on average between 2 to 4 months of use out of one of these, depending on how often you shave. For us in the military, we shave daily. I'm in the Navy, so this is a great product to also have on the ship with you, because you have very little space. You have, again, you don't want stuff leaking everywhere, so you can, bring 1, 2, 3 of these with you. It takes up almost no space. You have a good brush with you. I use a silver tip Badger brush. This stuff lathers really quickly. It's smells great. I was really hoping, so this one here is the Fire for Effect shaving soap, which is tobacco leaf coffee heated with a hint of vanilla. Another product that I really like is Fulton and Rourke's cologne. It's expensive, but it's a great cologne. And I was hoping that it was more like this one, but this one has more hints of vanilla in it. But they do actually pair together really well, but they're not exactly the same. I was hoping it would be a little bit closer to this. But with that being said, great product. So I'm going to go ahead and do a shaving review, show you how quickly it lathers, and then we'll come back and give some final thoughts on it. Alright guys, so this is the Caisson Shaving Company. This is their shaving soap. So this one is Fire for Effect. This is a tobacco coffee heated with hints of vanilla. It smells really, really good. I really like the scent of this soap. I was hoping it would have more of the leathery kind of smell to it, but I definitely don't have any complaints with this. There are a couple other scents that I really want to try, but this is the one that I got. I was lucky enough that we do carry this at the Navy Exchange. When this runs out, if we don't carry it there, I will be buying more directly from their company, give him a more direct price. So with that being said, I'm used to shave with. I got a little bit of pre-shave oil. I use a silver tip Badger brush. Had this for a long time. It works really well for the soaps, especially like this. Now, Caisson's shaving did have a synthetic brush at one point. But talking with the owner, it sounds like they have discontinued their blades and their other products that were all being sourced from outside the U.S. So right now, the only thing that they are making, I guess instead of looking at the camera over here, I'm gonna have to look over here. This is 100% made in the U.S. minus the tin themselves. They do order their tins in and buy them in bulk. So, but yes, this soap itself is 100% made here in the United States, made down in Arizona, right across from me here. So for me, I will be shaving with my Henson's razor. So this one's just threads off. So when I bought it, it came with the CRK blades. I'm not a huge fan of those. They tend to pull out the beard a little bit more than I like. I also get these at the Navy Exchange. This is just the AFI Exchange branded ones. I like them because it has a spot to store your blades. I'm sure it's just a rebranded version of another blade, but for the price, I think it's like $2 or something like that for a pack of 10. So, put it there. So to get in for my pre-shave, a little bit extra water. Just took a hot shower, loosen up the beard a little bit. And as you can tell on the beard, I did let it grow out for a couple of days, so over the 4th of July weekend, it was a longer weekend. And you don't need a whole lot of pre-shave oil. This is just kind of, get this soaking. This is just to kind of help, you know, prevent any additional cutting or irritation. So I usually get my pre-shave oil from the R Shaving, same place that I got the Badger brush from. But they're expensive and I like trying new stuff. So now that all warmed up, I'm just going to take our so I'm just going to use this to lather up. So you can take your brush and do a full lather. So as you work this more and you use this more, it'll start to create a dish effect in here. So as long as you're doing small circles, you're fine. But what I like to do is just grab a bunch of this. And just take it over here to the lid. And you can go directly from there onto your face. This just helps get you a little bit thicker lather. You see, it really makes a really thick shaving cream really fast. This here, this is what I used to use. This is the Dollar Shave cream. This is the last one I bought. Just some, you know, I really don't like that one that much. The Dr. Carver's clear one worked a lot better. And it cleans out of the blade or the razor really, really well. Alright, so that's the bulk off. I'm just going to go back through just one more quick time. A little bit thinner soap. I don't even need to grab more soap. Mainly just want the hydration, and you put it on a little bit thinner now. And again, this is just to make sure that I got everything. Take your lid, do a quick rinse. There you go. All right, again, so this was made, or the reason he got into making his own shaving soaps was to have something small, compact. This is about the size of a boot polish or something that you might have with you in your gear anyways. For me, this is great to have on a deployment. One of these cans is supposed to last 2 to 3 to 4 months, depending on how often you're using it. But this is, for putting in your rack to have with you when you're backpacking. If you're out in the field, you're not having to worry about this spilling. There's nothing worse, as any sailor or soldier will tell you, there's nothing worse than getting into your pack or into your rack and finding that this is leaked everywhere. I do a lot of traveling now, so having this to just throw in my bag, I can buy blades just about anywhere I go. I can take my razor with me or a cheaper one, but just having this is really, really nice, really good quality. Highly recommend. All right, guys, so now you've seen the shaving review. You see I did end up nicking myself, which happens. You use a safety razor, or I use a safety razor, straight razor. You do tend to nick yourself a bit. You just use like a little nick stick and close it right up, or you can rinse your face off with some ice cold water and it closes back up those pores. But again, that's not a big deal, certainly not an issue because of this. I do it with my other shaving soaps all the time. Again, great product. The scent is really good. It lasts, I won't say it's an all-day last, but it gets me, I wake up at 6 in the morning, shave, head to work. I'd say it lasts till probably about 6 or 7 o'clock at night. So it's a full work day, plus a little bit of extra when you get back. The wife can still smell it. But it's, again, I'm really looking forward to trying out their other scents. They do have other scents in their store. We'll see if I like any of those better, but as of right now, this right here, this Fire for Effect is a really good scent. I really enjoy it. So I hope this video helps you guys. if you do like a good shaving soap and you want to give them a try, I'm going to leave a link down below to his store. Again, you know, former military member, got out of the service, and you know, actually decided to go out and make his own company. So I think that's a great thing. You know, hopefully one day I can do the same thing. I'm almost out myself, so. But yeah, just, you know, if you guys are looking to support a veteran-owned company, this is a great one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the day, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks.